If you have recently upgraded from Windows 10 or have Windows 11, you may have noticed that the taskbar default position is at the bottom but center aligned. Now, if you're not happy with the default placement of your Windows 11 taskbar, you can quickly move it to the left side along the bottom, and here's how. First things first, right-click on an empty area of your taskbar, click Taskbar Settings, scroll down to Taskbar Behavior section on the new window, expand the section, and select the taskbar alignment option. Now in here, you can either select left, and your taskbar will automatically move from the bottom center to the bottom left. Additionally, you'd also go to Settings, select Personalization, click Taskbar option, select Taskbar Behaviors, followed by Taskbar Alignment. Then choose left, and again, the taskbar will move instantly, and you can now continue using it as usual. And that's how easy you can put the Windows 11 taskbar back to the left side. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.